كادو عيش لايقو كاترو الصبير بدلا حاجة ديلا تسيو نكما كوكو
media. This is not for everyone, and that's okay. But recording myself, I started making content on TikTok in 2021, but I used a private account in 2019.
Yeah, and I agree with this 100%. I agree with this 100%. And I actually thought about doing that last year, but I don't know why I didn't. So I'm glad I started this year, especially in December, because I heard in a lot of places when people start January, they usually give up. But I thought to myself, why don't I? It doesn't have to be January for me to start this. I just have to start it, Yeah. So we're gonna go through this journey, whether it's weight loss journey, whether it's whatever it is, whatever journey it is we're taking, we're gonna take it together. We're gonna go together, and I promise my content is gonna get better, because I'm so new to this. I'm so weirded out. I'm so shy. You guys have no idea what it took out of me to actually start doing this, you know what I mean? So let's go.
waddankaaga dhigi lahaa haddanka rabbiya macaan waxaan kaaga tolay bilado macdanta buuraha ku quban waddankaaga dhigi lahaa haddanka rabbiya macaan waxaan kaaga tolay bilado macdanta buuraha kuquban u bahaday haddaad tidhaa naftaan kuu bixin lahaa budiya labadayda wiil ayaan kugu baananaa u bahaday haddaad tidhaa naftaan kuu bixin lahaa budiya labadayda wiil ayaan kugu baanan lahaa inaad degta beerka iyo waguba waa meel sokee busbaankaasiin lahaa qalbiga basharkuugu jecel inaad degta beerka iyo waguba waa meel sokee busbaankaasiin lahaa qalbiga basharkuugu jecel
Hi guys, today's Friday. Actually, today's Thursday. Like, I feel like I'm blowing by last Saturday. The last one I posted was last Friday. So it's been like 4 to 5 days right now. Marka maantay meelaan aan aadiya meelaan waxaa leeyahay couple things aan sameynayo inshallah. I was working last night, so maantay dayga late buu bilaabanaya inshallah. So you guys are gonna go with me just like last time. Love this cream. It's for especially winter time. So yeah, so another day, another week inshallah. So and I want to keep up with this YouTube channel like this slowly. I think I can keep up with the weekly vlogs, not daily vlogs. I tried the daily vlogs, but it's not it's not as productive or as fun as doing weekly vlogs because مالك سبيل العادية لكن daily unless I already planned leedahay it doesn't work that way, you know. But yeah, inshallah. So I'm actually kind of excited. I'm also moving, so I'm so excited to do some moving vlogs because I've been watching a lot of movie vlogs these days. So yeah.
Biyananigo berkaba bukan adigo iltaran biangka bagala somangku bahnani biyananigo berkaba bukan adigo iltaran biangka bagala somangku bahnani haddii wadnahayga biliye bogsiima lagaaga dhigo miyaa la bakhayli lahaa somaan kuu soo baxshin haddii wadnahayga biliye bogsiima lagaaga dhigo miyaa la bakhayli lahaa somanku subashin inaad tagta beerkayga
Heart. Imagine the kids. They love this one. Before we leave, I'm gonna come back here. Uncle Joey's getting tokens for us. You know? So I can come in like a video right here. And I like this. See? I like this. But the funny guy was stuck with the high. How you can wake up here? Can I add this up here? I don't want this one. I want the cherry. And then you can't have half. And I want gold because black and gold look good together. Gold. Can have that gold in this here together, inshallah. You know? These are cute, but they're not as cute as this one. This one and that. You know, it can fit laptop, it can fit everything, you know? Like my iPad, this one here. You know, yeah.
waddankaaga dhigi lahaa haddanka rabbiya macaan waxaan kaaga tolay bilado macdanta buuraha ku quban waddankaaga dhigi lahaa haddanka rabbiya macaan waxaan kaga tolay bilado macdanta buura ku quban u bahaday haddaad tidhaa naftaan ku bixin lahaa budiya labadayda wiil ayaan kugu baananaa u bahaday haddaad tidhaa naftaan ku bixin lahaa budiya labadayda wiil ayaan kugu baananaa kugu baananaa inaad degta beerka iyo waguba waa meel sokee busbaankaasiin lahaa qalbiga basharkuugu jecel inaad degta beerka iyo waguba waa meel sokee busbaankaasiin lahaa qalbiga basharkuugu jecel
Smells so good.
Normal facial
See,
cream. So normal facial cream. So like, if you're
this is actually
so this is actually going to
Coconut
be a lot
oil,
thicker than consistency
but I love the pink.
because it's covering a much
You know,
broader area.
I love how pink. This is the bath salt. So I think waxaan rabnay isla yihiin.
It helps reduce darkness.
Hata hand wash this
It's going to reduce puffiness. Then a microalgae is going to keep the skin nice and tight. This one has